Surprise, surprise. We're at O'Connor's restaurant on Valentine's. There's the other half of Chronicles, L&J, Jamie. Say hi, Jamie. And we are at O'Connor's in West Boyleston. It's a wonderful Irish pub restaurant. We've got a very cozy little nook here. So we've ordered appetizers, and our first appetizers, some of the first appetizers that we have gotten is the Lucy's shillelagh sticks. And then Jamie had to get his buffalo chicken wing, boneless buffalo chicken somewhere. I don't know where it is. I don't see it. But, oh, there it is. Chicken tenders. That's what he got. And then for my meal tonight, and I got a scotch egg too. Yeah. For my meal tonight, I am getting the famous and enormous beef, mushroom, and Guinness pie. And Jamie is getting the lemon loaded chicken schnitzel. As you can see on the menu, it's a lot of Irish fare and the menu is usually seasonal, so it changes. There are a few staples.
Yeah. Okay, what can I get for you? And you cut it out?
I paused it. She just came and took our orders. But a cute little napkin. There are good ships, there are wooden ships. The ships that sail the sea. The best ships are friendships, and may they always be. Aww. So what kind of new thing are we doing for our channel, Jamie?
I don't know, whatever you've decided. Whatever you have decided on.
Whatever I decided on. Well, we're going to try some more live streams. I believe we're going to come up with a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Pick one of our subscribers randomly, and we have to think of something for a prize, probably a gift card or something. We have to decide. What else are we going to be doing? Yes, it's been snowing like crazy up here in Massachusetts, and then tomorrow we're getting another 8 inches, so that's kind of turning into a oh joy fun. But yes, once the weather warms up and we'll be able to figure out.
Get out more.
Yes. Get out more. We're going to head back to Rhinebeck, New York for a little while, which is in Hudson River Valley, which is really cool. We do have a trip coming up to Amish country, Pennsylvania. And we're going to be hitting the Shady Maple Smorgasbord, so that should be fun.
There's a couple of things in Pennsylvania.
And then we've got some trips.
A couple of things in Pennsylvania.
Yeah, a couple of things in Pennsylvania, and Jamie wants to do some sort of vampire-y thing. Vampire museum. What else are we gonna do?
A mine tour.
Yeah, this psycho wants to go deep down in a coal mine tour. I don't think that's gonna end well. What else? Nothing. Okay, I'm gonna pause you now and wait for our food. Jamie's a happy boy. His food has arrived, or the appetizers. We have the buffalo chicken, but they didn't give him honey mustard, so he's gonna be upset. Okay. That's Jamie's Scotch egg. You have to cut that open so you can see what it looks like. And these are my favorite. They're called shillelagh sticks. They're basically
Corned
puff
beef.
pastry
Corned beef.
with corned beef and that inside. And it's very... Jamie's gonna cut open his... That's the shillelagh stick that has just ground corned beef in it with some vegetables. But they're very light, and the Coleman's mustard dip that comes with it is really good. Here's Jamie's Scotch egg, which has the hard-boiled egg surrounded by sausage meat, and then it's usually deep fried in panko, well, rolled in panko, then deep fried. Jamie loves these things, and then these are always good though. So, how is it? The shillelagh sticks are wonderful. Light. How is the buffalo tenders?
Look at your buffalo.
One thing about Jamie is the only way that he remembers a restaurant is by their buffalo tenders. So if I mention a restaurant, he'll be like, oh yeah, they had good buffalo tenders. Oh no, they didn't have any buffalo tenders. So this is one of the restaurants that he absolutely loves, their buffalo tenders.
Chicken's nice. Good chicken.
But if you go to a restaurant that does not have buffalo tenders, Jamie is not happy at all.
If you go to a restaurant and they have bad buffalo tenders, their food's going to be bad.
So that's words to live by but it's been honest.
If you can't do an appetizer, simple like buffalo tenders, then you can't cook.
Yeah.
Main course.
And these are actually like really,
Tender.
small. They're not overly humongo, but they've got all white meat, tender. So, yeah. And then my shillelagh stick is really good. Okay, we're gonna dig into this and we'll come back at the entrees. Jamie had a bite of his Scotch egg and his eyes rolled back into his head. There's something seriously wrong with this boy.
Yeah, what's it good?
I'm actually allergic to egg, so I don't eat this stuff, but he absolutely... Really? Jamie, sloppy eater. Who eats with his mouth open.
Oh no.
Shillelagh stick?
Yeah, I know, but what's
Alright, so yeah, we're
Your appetizers are SPC outside.
Yeah.
corned beef?
Corned beef. Little bit of carrots.
A little bit of honey mustard.
And honey mustard. Coleman's mustard.
We're good.
They're really good. I like those. Here's the dessert menu. Irish bread pudding, pork,
Blueberry cheesecake.
blueberry cheesecake sounds good.
Yeah, blueberry cheesecake sounds really good.
Yes, it does. Okay, so our food just came.
Wait a minute.
Now, this is my Guinness pie, which is basically, there's my hand,
Wait.
or Jamie's hand on it. It is so big. And it comes with, like, these, they're almost like rotten potatoes type of thing. But, it's bacon and cheese with, like,
onions.
Yeah, scallions and stuff in it. It's actually really good. That's one of my favorite sides.
Okay.
But then this thing, it's potato or something. Oh, my hand. What the heck is that? Okay. The pie is huge, and it's this. Let's see what's in it. It's this big, humongo pie, and I'm not sure if you can see, but inside it's got carrots and potatoes, and it's obviously the meat is just like tearing apart in there, and flavor is usually awesome and amazing. And then Jamie with his schnitzel. He also got the rotten spuds. And what's underneath it?
Wait. Chicken?
Oh, it's the chicken with ham and...
The ham and cheese and...
Oh, that looks really good. Alright, give it a taste.
basil.
Give it a taste, my darling. I will be telling you, like, this will all be going home tonight because no way I could possibly eat any of this. And, yeah, whatever. How is it, Jamie? Okay, your fingers are in the way of your face. Uh-oh.
That's good.
Your face is saying differently.
It's good.
It's good, but your face was doing, it's good. Is it not what you were expecting? It's kind of weird.
But
Okay.
it's not weird bad. It's not weird bad.
It's weird different. So what makes it weird? Is it the, like,
Cheese sauce.
huh? Oh. I'm gonna eat the crust.
What? The cheese. Cheese.
This is awesome. The flavor is spot on. Yeah, I'm really liking this, but like I said, I'm only gonna probably take a bite and like wrap it up because
Good for all week.
it could feed a whole family of 5
All week.
all week.
Yeah, that's really good. It's really good.
All right, I'll let you see the end product after we try to.
It's gonna be the
This is a plate setting for 2 people who just think with their big bellies and don't eat anything.
big eyes.
I am defeated. I got like 3 bites of it. And I've been picking at my potato thing. But yeah, it's still like huge. And then Jamie's still working on his schnitzel. But he's reaching fullness because his eyes are starting to bulge. Alright, so this is always good. I do recommend it, but maybe sharing it between 2, 3, 50 people might work. This is my favorite side. It's just always just like the same. It's always comforting. Would you get yours again? Okay. So he wouldn't get the schnitzel, but he would probably get the lemon pepper chicken or something like that. Or chicken Wellington they used to have.
Cajun chicken. Bangers and mash.
Yeah. He went with something totally different. But,
It's not bad.
yeah. Yeah. So that is
Just a lot.
our dinner.
A lot.
It's a lot of food. Jamie thinks he's getting dessert after that and this, and have fun with that.
Appetizer, main course, dessert.
Let's see if he actually gets dessert, because he's gonna be eating the dessert by himself.
Maybe.
Stay tuned. The look of a man who is defeated by a meal. And no, he decided not to get any dessert because
Blueberry cheesecake.
it's, yeah. He got pretty far decently with it, I guess.
Half of everything. Except
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. It's just we need a lot of boxes.
It's not like you're gonna leave here hungry.
Yeah, you never leave here hungry. You get humongous portions, and the food is always good, and the front staff is always nice and amazing. It was Valentine's Day. We didn't have a reservation. I mean, we showed up here about 6:35. We waited about 40 minutes, which is not bad, knowing the line was outside the door, and there was a huge, line, but it's freezing standing outside.
A lot of people made reservations.
Yes, and a lot of people did have reservations, and they were waiting in line with us, so.
How are we doing over here? Some boxes?
But yeah, so if you're ever in Central Mass and around the Worcester area, outside of Worcester, yes, it's in West Boyleston, and it's called O'Connor's Restaurant and Bar. Yeah, it's over there, O'Connor's. Yeah. Yeah, your napkins are messy.
89.
Okay. So, say good night. Ta-da.
Going to bed.
Bye, y'all. Until next time. So, they were out of all 3 boxes, so I've got to shove that big thing into this little... Let's see if I could do this, but I'm not going to have this on camera. Should be interesting, though.
I need like 10 more.